Is your Windows 11 installation starting all over again after reboot? Then you are at the right place, as we have the solutions for you to fix this issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you are trying to install Windows 11 and are stuck in a loop of getting the startup screen to start over every time, then this post will help you. It's not a common issue, but some people have been facing this issue where the PC keeps rebooting from the installation USB every time instead of continuing the setup from the hard drive. In this video, we will walk you through some steps to fix the problem and complete the Windows 11 installation successfully. Let's get started. Method 1. Remove the bootable USB after installation starts. The installation may restart continuously instead of progressing to the next setup phase if the bootable USB is left connected. In such a case, removing it can help resolve the issue. Start the installation process using the portable USB device and let Windows set up the copy files. Now immediately remove the USB drive when the system reboots for the first time. Hopefully, the installation will continue normally. Method 2. Change boot orders in BIOS. There are higher chances of incorrect boot order settings being the cause of continuous restart after installation. In this solution, we are going to prioritize the internal hard drive or SSD in the boot sequence to ensure the PC continues with the newly installed OS instead of looping back to the installer. Restart the PC and press the designated key to enter BIOS. Each PC has a different BIOS key. The general BIOS keys are F1, F2, F9, F10 or delete, but they will differ as per the motherboard. If you don't know the BIOS key, check the manufacturer's manual and keep it handy. Now once in the BIOS, scroll down to find the boot or startup tab and then locate the boot priority or boot sequence settings. Select the device you want to boot from, like the hard drive or SSD, as the primary boot device and exit the tab. Lastly, hit Save and Exit to save the changes. Restart the PC and see if you can move past the installation screen. Otherwise, proceed to the next solution. Method 3. Run Startup Repair. You can follow this guide to boot into Windows Recovery and select Startup Repair to fix boot-related issues. You can also hold down the Shift key and then click Restart from the power menu in Start. On Restart, you will see the Advanced Startup Options screen. From here, select Troubleshoot. From the next window, choose Advanced Options, then select Startup Repair. Now the repair process will be initiated. Once done repairing, restart your PC. Method 4. Delete existing partitions and reinstall Windows. Insert a bootable USB or DVD, restart the PC, and boot from Windows installation media. Follow the installation process until you reach the installation screen, where it asks users to select the installation type and select the custom Install Windows Only option. Now select the existing partition and hit the delete key. After deletion, choose the unallocated space. Click New and select Next to begin the installation process. After Windows loads up, go to Settings, then select Windows Update and install the necessary updates. Check if the PC has any issues crossing the installation startup screen, and if it does, see the next solution. Method 5. Use diskpart to clean the drive. During Windows installation, use the Shift plus F10 to launch the command prompt. Execute these commands to run diskpart. Diskpart, list disk, select disk X. Make sure to replace X with the drive number. Run this command to erase all the partitions and data from the selected disk. Clean. Now execute this command to boot into UEFI mode and exit it. Convert GPT, exit. Restart the installation process and install Windows on the clean drive. This will ensure that the drive is properly formatted for installation. For more details, follow this guide. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.